Here's Jacqueline on morphine.
So how do your knees feel?
Let's. Can we put her on? Can we put her on Facebook right now?
I feel it in my head.
Jacqueline, you're so cute.
Hey, Jack,
So
you got
weird.
the pictures going.
Make a funny face.
Are your cheeks happy?
The morphine.
Oh, I think I'm recording.
Everybody's messing with Jack.
What? You feel bad?
Oh, this is a little off. Yeah, there's.
Jack.
I'm thinking that's what we need to do. Oh, here I don't know how
You know
you.
how heavy I feel right now?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm like, I don't know.
One with the bed.
Can we pull the blade down? What pain? My stomach
Exact-
pain?
That's,
Yeah.
What other
Oh,
pain
it's
did
so
you
bad.
have?
honey, that's it. The gone part.
How many more pains did you have we weren't aware of?
It's getting lighter than.
I think she's high, guys.
This is so funny.
I think she's high.
Look at her face.
That's your,
It's
that's
blood
your pulse.
pressure.
I'm blowing.
It's your pulse.
You're glowing.
Or is it? No, it's her oxygen.
Yeah.
Oxygen pulse. So this is the picture I'm taking from your pretty picture. Oh, God.
So fat.
You're not fat.
This is not acceptable.
You're not fat.
You're not
You're
fat.
really funny though.
Don't touch me. I'm gonna kick you in the face. My eyelids feel like.
Do you want to go to sleep?
Yeah, she'll
I'm
sleep.
not saying that, and then it's just.
No, stay up and enjoy it. You don't get this. This is the only time you ever get this stuff.
Mommy, wasn't Ran on morphine?
Yes.
I feel like I'm cemented.
Cement?
Like I'm cemented to this bed.
I'm sorry, we're all.
Is that weird? Moving your arm up?
Is it heavy?
No, it's normal, Jacqueline. Your arm is normal.
He's thinking that it's.
He said it's pretty. Standard. What's that? What now?
Okay, now.
I'm sure. Yeah, that's why I give him this. Yeah, we're not gonna do all this.